Good morning, Seoul! I'm currently here at Myeongdong and it's 8:37 in the morning. And today we're gonna explore Seoul, Korea, and we're gonna go to the different K-drama places here in Seoul. Okay, I've reached Holly's Cafe and I'm waiting for my friend and friend's friend. And it's a hotel near Myeongdong. It's near, I think, exit 2. And they have a nice cafe just next to their lobby. Okay, my friend arrived and my food arrived. So yeah, it's almost 10 in the morning and we just finished our breakfast and I'm here with my friend Pia and her friend Kimi. And today we're going to go to the K-drama places. We are still figuring out how to go to our very first destination, but we are currently roaming around Myeongdong. We are still here at Myeongdong trying to figure out our way to Ewa National University. Feels good, right? It's so good.
No, it's so cold.
It's so cold. Take the train
to City Hall.
Okay, so this is the Seoul Metro and we are at Yuljiro 1 station, I think. Yeah, that one. Okay, so it's very early in the morning and we are encountering a lot of challenges.
We need to go to the other side. It's not easy to navigate when you can't use your phone properly. The gloves, it's supposed to be, what's this one? Screen something gloves. It's still very difficult to use.
Yeah, because it's very thick. And if you remove your gloves, it's gonna be very cold, like freezing cold. Okay, we're gonna transfer to another line. I think the brown line or line 6.
It's a bus stop.
A bus stop. Are we gonna go? We're gonna ride the bus?
Yes.
Oh wow, okay. I'm excited to ride the bus. It's gonna be my first time to ride a bus here in Korea. Happy birthday, Jin!
Happy birthday, Jin!
Okay, we're crossing the street to the bus. So, it's my first time to ride the bus. In
The
Korea.
602, wait, magkay sasakay bus stop.
Okay. It's my first time to ride the bus. Lakas makaka-drama. I'll sit here. Diba? Okay, so usually guys, dito mo mamimit ang ano mo. Ang the one inside the bus. Look, they have a USB charger inside the bus. And it's very warm here inside the bus. We're gonna alight on this stop. Okay. Okay, let's hope that we alighted at the right stop.
I think we're not at the right
I did
stop.
not.
Yes. Actually, it's the wrong route now.
Oh, okay.
That's why we need to alight.
The last few times I was here, I was so scared to take the bus. We might get lost. But now I have 2 capable navigators.
Shut up! Shut up!
Capable navigators.
Shut up!
So we finally alighted at the correct station.
Right.
And we just need to figure out if we need to turn left or right. We are almost there. Okay, so we made it in our first stop and you can see at the back it's a hospital. So can you guess which K-drama this hospital is from? So I just started watching it again last night. The first time I watched it was months ago. I didn't even finish the first episode.
It's one of my favorite dramas.
Why is it one of your favorites?
I'm a frustrated doctor.
Okay, so we're done.
Because
Because what?
we can't find this whatever, what the smoking. I don't know if it's a smoking area or coffee area.
Yeah.
That center garden.
I think it's probably up there.
I don't want to be caught lurking around the hospital, so
Yeah.
we decided to go to the next place. Anyways,
Okay.
how was your hospital experience, Walter?
Well, I recognize the facade from the outside and also the lobby area. But actually, I'm quite impressed with their hospital. I think this is a public hospital and it's so organized. It looks very modern and it looks like you will get well inside this hospital.
You can trust your life with this hospital.
Yeah, the doctors look smart and dignified and capable. Okay, we'll see you in our next stop. We're gonna find the K-drama spots here. So we are entering Ewa Women's University. Okay, so we're trying to enter this university. Let's see if we can. Okay, so this is one of the most iconic landmarks here at this university. So we're here at Ewa University and this is one of the most iconic landmarks. I'm gonna do a 360 so you can see this impressive architecture there. Okay, so I will interview some of the Korean students here at the Ewa University. And okay,
Annyeong.
annyeong.
안녕하세요.
So we're here at Ewa Women's University and there are a couple of K-dramas that were shot in this university, which are
Well, we have Love Alarm,
Mhm,
My ID is Gangnam Beauty,
mhm.
and other Korean dramas. And I have to check this, but I think Kim Bok-joo was also shot here.
So let us know if you know anything else that were shot here in this university. Put it down in the comments below, and it's gonna be interesting. I really like the architecture, and
It's a good school, meaning you will feel like you want to study here when you go visit the school.
correct, yeah, yeah.
How about you, Kining?
It's nice here. The area is very nice. It's very conducive to studying. So it's not as crowded as the universities that we have here in the Philippines.
Like right now, what we're doing, we're just really sitting down in the stairs. And you can actually just do that, hang out, and then just watch, people watch.
And admiring the view. Hold on, I'll take a photo and then I'll
Yeah.
put on the video of our current view. It's really very impressive.
But given that it's a very famous school, there are lots of tourists also visiting. And right now, maybe Walter already or has a shot of other tourists taking pictures
Yeah,
in this exact same spot that we are at.
there are young tourists and also ajumas.
Adjamas.
They're really cute. Like they have a selfie stick and then taking group photos. Yeah, so it's already 12:56 and we haven't had lunch.
We haven't had lunch, but we're here enjoying the sun because it's, how cold is it today?
0.
Okay.
0 degrees feels like 3 degrees.
We're about to leave this impressive school and we're heading for lunch. So we took a lot of shots a while ago because it's really very beautiful. We pretended we were students.
Feels like college again.
Yeah, it feels like college. Yeah, that's right.
It's actually a big place, so it will take some time for you to go from one end to another, to the other end.
This is really good. Yeah, perfect for the weather. We just ordered the right amount of spice. And you can see it's still very hot. Okay, I really recommend this place. If ever you come here, just find this one. Just across the street from the school. It's around on the second floor. It's around 11,000 per get one for this bowl. So we just finished having lunch and we're going to our third spot, which is a tunnel. So you have to guess which tunnel. Okay, I think today we got lost so many times.
But to be honest, it's not really easy to navigate in Korea with your usual Google Maps. They usually use Naver Max here, but if you should be at least familiar with the Korean name of the phone.
It's 3:01 in the afternoon and it's very, very cold. So suddenly, after we had lunch,
Temperature drop.
the temperature dropped. And I mean, I'm wearing gloves. It was inside my pocket, and I still feel very, very cold. Okay, so we're still looking for the tunnel. It's 3:35. Yeah, we still haven't found the tunnel.
Because we're lost.
Yeah, we're lost. This looks like a tunnel to me. Is this the one? Ta-da! Can you guess where this tunnel was shown? Like which K-drama? Okay, so we alighted here at the Gwanghamun station, and there was a tourist information center, and they were very helpful. We're supposed to go to the stream directly, but we found this. 13, yeah, we can. Okay, there. So this is a very popular monument in a recent K-drama. They brought horses here in this one. We'll just turn around so you can see the monument there. And can you guess which K-drama it appeared?
For this drama, I haven't watched it yet.
So it's from a very recent K-drama. I think last year. It has a very twisted and confusing plot. So they say it's for intelligent people.
Okay, I should watch that.
So Kimi has watched it, right? What can you say about that K-drama?
It was very confusing if you don't really pay attention. You wouldn't know like which period you are in already.
Yeah, that's
You have
true.
to focus.
Yeah, you have to focus and you have to believe in the
Because I don't know what they're talking about.
you have to believe in the idea of a multiverse. Now we are walking towards the very famous stream here in Seoul, which
The
is
name, Kimi.
we cannot pronounce the name.
Yes, Todd.
Cheonggyecheon stream. I will just put the name here. Hopefully we pronounce it correctly. Yeah. And I'll just flip the camera so you can see the beginning point. Yes. Because it's already December, so it's Christmas season. And you can see that big tree. So we will just cross the street and later on we'll go down to the actual stream. So this is the starting point of this stream and it's gonna be a long walk. You can see the waterfalls back there and it's really nice. I don't know if you can hear the sound, but it's quite relaxing sound. Oh, there are sponsors. All right. They finished preparing our food after 11 minutes and it smells good. So we're just gonna eat and enjoy our early dinner. It's only 5:37, but we have to eat early because the two ladies have a dance class tonight and they're gonna perform for the Philippines.